So we're here with a solid hickory floor, and we're going to show you how you can use Weatherwood Stain's products. So you're looking at our reclamation product, and we have our materials in front of you. This is what you're going to use when you apply hardwood floors in place like a custom sand and finish. So what you're going to want to do is have a 5-gallon bucket. Whether the product comes in it or an empty one, it doesn't matter. And you're gonna put your gallon of Weatherwood into your 5-gallon bucket. And then you're gonna use a push broom, one that into the bucket would be best. Okay, so we're gonna show you how easy it is to apply this product on these floors. Okay, so when you apply the product, you just want to dip your push broom into your bucket of stain, and you want to work the stain into the wood grain. There's several ways that you could apply the product, but honestly, this is just the easiest. You can work really fast this way. You can have more than one person applying it, and you just want to keep a wet edge as you move across the floor. With this method, Zach's able to cover 60 square feet in just a matter of minutes. So you'll notice how much product he's applying onto the floor. He's actually putting quite a bit of stain on there. The brush is preferable to a squeegee because you want to leave wood stain on the floor. The squeegee would only be a good method if you're trying to apply the product and lighten it, like you want to remove some of the stain. The way our products work, it's a reactive stain, so you want to leave a good wet coating on the wood to allow the reaction to occur. Now he's almost done with our sample. The dry time on this, on a normal project, the dry time's only maybe 30 minutes, but on a hardwood floor, we say 1 to 2 hours. Now we'll have a time lapse of this project, so you can click over and see this actual floor sample drying for yourself. Hey guys, so what you're looking at is some hickory flooring that we have already stained with our reclamation stain. And the purpose of this video is to introduce our new maintenance oil white top coat to you and show you how you can use it on hardwood flooring. So I've already done a few boards right in front. You can see these ones have already been top coated. The top coat's been applied, but not wiped back off. And then I'm gonna show you, here's what our maintenance oil looks like. I'm all geared up. I've got my gloves on. I want you to get a few rags when you're gonna do this. You can have the rag that you're gonna dip into the actual maintenance oil. And then you wanna have some clean ones because you're gonna need to apply and wipe off. So what we've got is we're gonna get some maintenance oil on the tip of your rag and just work it into the grain. Don't worry about being too neat here. You're gonna work in sections. So what I do is usually whatever size section takes me 3 to 4 minutes, that's how big of a section I work in. So if that's 3 boards, then that's 3 boards. If that's 2 feet, then that's 2 feet. Just however long it takes you. Now the reason is we're gonna apply the product, work it in, make sure you get into all that deep grain, especially important on something like this, a rustic hickory, or on your oak flooring. You want to make sure you get into the deep grain. And then after it's been 3 to 4 minutes, what you're going to do is you're going to take your clean rag, which you already have ready, and you'll go back over your previous section and remove any top coat that's sitting on top of the wood. So what happens is the wood opens up, and a maintenance oil is a modified acrylic. So it's a better top coat than furniture wax. It's got a lot of wax solids in it, but being an acrylic, it gives you better protection. So the wood will absorb everything it can, and then we go back through and just pull off whatever it wasn't able to. Easy peasy. So you can see there's just hardly nothing on the rag because we're putting it on in thin coats. So once I've done that, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna go back. I'll work on my next section, right? Now with our maintenance oil, it's like a typical maintenance oil. You can do up to 3 coats, or you can use this to hold the color just as you see the wood. And then you can use a polyurethane on it once it's completely cured. So we're gonna apply this. Once this sample is done and all the maintenance oil has been applied, we want to let it cure for 24 to 48 hours. Don't touch it or anything. And then you could come back in and do like a polyurethane if you wanted this wood to go in like a water area of your home, kitchen, bathroom, something like that. So this provides a lot of options for you. It's really versatile. And the thing that we're the most proud of is how beautifully it holds the Weatherwood color. I know you guys are gonna love it.